The Broom-Float Adapter Bracket by MARSHALLTOWN fits many floats, Fresnos, and gliders, but in this video, we will discuss how to set it up on a 4-hole bull float and a multi-mount Fresno. For the best results, ensure the broom is at least 6 inches longer than the float or Fresno. When mounting the adapter to a 4-hole bull float, first remove the variable pitch bracket. Then, reassemble it with the Broom-Float Adapter Bracket between the variable pitch bracket and the float. When mounting the adapter to a multi-mount Fresno, the first step is to remove the 4-hole converter plate on the adapter using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove any hardware from the Fresno if it is attached, and assemble the Broom-Float adapter between the variable pitch bracket and the Fresno. Next, attach the broom to the adapter. Unscrew the 2 nuts at the end of the threaded mounting studs. Insert the threaded mounting studs into the broom and reattach the nuts. The last step is adjustments and fine-tuning. Set the float on a flat surface and loosen the side adjustment nuts with a 9/16 wrench. Make sure the broom bristles are touching the ground evenly, then retighten the side adjustment nuts. Now, when you pitch up the front of the float, the broom should be lifted above the concrete. When you pitch the float down, the broom should brush the concrete. Further adjustments may be needed on site. For more information, visit MARSHALLTOWN.com.